Good morning, friends. I'm back today with a breakfast recipe with bread. In Sindhi cuisine, we have many ways of making bread for breakfast. Earlier, I had shared one with green masala called Sai Mashali Musel bread. I'll share the link in the description box, and there are many other ways as well, which I shall be sharing in the near future, upcoming videos. Today, let's make Tamate Mei Dhabroti or tomato bread, which is very easy peasy and tasty. Check it out. Ingredients required: bread slices 8 or as needed. You can use white bread or brown bread. Coriander leaves handful. Tomatoes 6, choose ripe ones. 2 green chillies. 1 small piece of ginger. Garlic 6 to 7 cloves. Oil about 4 to 5 tablespoons. Salt as needed. Cumin seeds 1 teaspoon. Coriander powder 1 teaspoon. Cumin powder 1 teaspoon. Kashmiri chilli powder half teaspoon. And turmeric powder half teaspoon. The ingredients list also can be seen in the description box. Now let's proceed. Heat oil in a pan. Add cumin seeds and let them crackle. Once they give out aroma, add green chilies followed by ginger and garlic. Saute them a bit until they change color. These are very easy to make breakfast. You can make use of your leftover bread also this way. Now dip in the tomatoes. Spread them around and add salt on top. Salt brings out the tanginess of the tomatoes and lets them cook faster. This is a tip. Give it a mix. Now we'll cover and simmer it on low flame until the tomatoes are soft. In between, you can open the lid and give it a mix again so that they get cooked evenly. Now the tomatoes are done. They are nice and mushy. At this stage, we'll add the spice powders. Give them a mix with the spatula. And we'll cover the lid now and let them simmer, so that all the flavors are incorporated into the masala. Check the salt. Adjust it according to your liking. Even the spices can be adjusted more or less the way you like. Dip in the bread pieces. Cut them into smaller pieces. Now stir very gently so that the bread doesn't break. You have to be very gentle because we don't want it to become mushy. Add little bit of water, just few tablespoons. Some coriander leaves. Again a gentle stir. And a That's it. We'll simmer it for a little while. Cover and place it on dum on low flame. Half a minute, it should be done. Your delicious breakfast is ready. That was so quick and so delicious. You can dish it out and enjoy. Yummy, yummy bread made in tomato. I've also shared one recipe of bread made in green masala, Sindhi way. You can check that out as well. The link will be shared in the description box. Stay tuned for more recipes. Thank you for watching. Check out these videos from the archives in case you have missed them earlier. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.